Given in the problem, three numbers are chosen at random without replacement from the set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this question is important, so I'll put this as the sample space of the experiment. The probability that their minimum number is 3. The probability that their minimum number is 3. Now, three numbers are chosen. Okay, let me say that this is the first chosen number, second chosen number, and the third chosen number. The minimum number is 3, given that their maximum is 6, which means maximum is 6 is fixed. Maximum is 6 is fixed. Minimum should be now 3. Okay, so we'll see here. What is the required probability? Required probability. See, this is basically coming from conditional probability, but for competitive exam, we can work out a shortcut. See, maximum number should be fixed 6. If maximum number should be fixed 6, then 7 and 8 can never be taken, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is already fixed. So these two numbers can be now worked out in how many ways now? 5C2 ways. And this is nothing but one way, correct? One way. So it is 5C2 multiplied by 1, because picking 6 from 6 is only one way. This can be picked in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways, because maximum number cannot cross 6. Okay, so this is 5C2. All right, now here it can be picked in how many ways now? 5C2 ways. So that should be the total number of ways, 5C2 into 1. That is the sample space. Now in this, the condition required is maximum number should be 6, minimum number should be 3. This is the condition now, correct? This is the condition. So now can you tell me, if the minimum number has to be 3, then this also cannot come into picture, which means only two numbers can be taken into account, correct or not? Only two numbers can be taken into account. So either it should be 4 or it should be 5, right? Either it should be 4 or 5. So which means only two ways are possible here, correct? So answer to the question will be 2 divided by 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. So the answer to the question will be equal to 2 divided by 10. So the answer to the question will be equal to 1 by 5. This is the way in which competitive approach is to be, the problem has to be solved in a competitive approach. This is how the problem needs to be solved. Important.